So it's push day today, so we're gonna start off by warming up because I have a kind of a shoulder impingement which hurts my shoulder. So without warm up, what usually happens is if I do some exercises for the chest or the shoulders, I'll get pain. So in order to reduce that, I will do some kind of warm up with the light dumbbells first. Then we'll hop onto the exercises. So that was a warm up for the shoulder. First one was the Arnold press. Then second was kind of a wrestler's exercise, which really enhances this movement. It helps me in the lateral raises kind of movement. Now we'll hop onto the incline bench press. So incline bench press needs, it's not like it needs to be done, but the maximum amount of muscle activation is at 45-degree inclination. So we'll do that. So what happened here is when I did the 45-degree inclination, it activated my shoulders more rather than my chest. So we'll be sticking on to a bit of less angle, maybe around 30, 35. That would be best for us. And we'll do 3 more sets. Yeah, 4 sets. And I'll complete it. Then hop onto the next exercise, which is the incline, and we'll go to the flat bench. Now, after this exercise, we'll be doing one shoulder movement exercise, which is kind of a full movement, so as to give rest to the pushing kind of action. So that's the time that I like. Now I'm gonna do the 25 kg. It took me a month to get this. I was doing before the leave, but after coming from the leave, I never felt so energetic to pull this weight. Let's see if I can do it now. So the goal is to reach a minimum of 6 reps because that's what works for your muscle gain. Anything below that is for the strength, not for the muscle gain. So our goal is to gain muscle mass. So this exercise has become my favorite for the past few days. Is the reclined lateral raises. While standing, my form gets a bit off, so that's why I do while sitting. You might have known me doing kind of a lying down lateral raises, doing the wide raises, but this one hits the stretch part really well, so that's why I'm doing it right now. Because we all know the eccentric of the movement is the most essential movement for exercise. Always keep in mind form over everything. So keep your weights low. So the next exercise will be the decline dumbbell press, where he hits the lower chest part. So let's hop into it again. It's also 4 sets. Why do I do 4 sets? Because for every muscle you need 2 exercises. So we're gonna cut it short for 1 exercise, 4 sets. There's a lot of muscle groups when it comes to chest and shoulders, so that's why we do 4 sets in order to minimize the amount of workout and also switch the time up. And we will complete 3 more sets now, and next we'll hop on to another exercise for shoulders. So the next exercise is going to be the rear delt flies kind of a thing using this machine. After that we will jump onto the pec fly for the middle chest. Let's hop onto it again. 4 sets, both of the exercises. So the next exercise is my favorite exercise for my tricep, which is the skull crusher. Let's go into it. We'll complete 2 more sets, so 3 set exercise, because I'm going to jump down to body weighted dips, which is also a tricep exercise. That's front shoulder, I guess. And I will do 2 more sets of the same exercise, maybe even 1 more.